case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a gripping case of mistaken fact, a Texas man faced a 55-year sentence following a fatal shooting incident, only to challenge his conviction on the distinction of whether a jury should decide the reasonableness of a mistake. In 1999, the man, who was unnamed, was convicted of murder after a night at a local nightclub took a deadly turn. Ejected from the establishment for inappropriate behavior, the defendant and a companion retraced their steps. A security guard, wary of their renewed presence, heard gunshots erupt shortly afterward. The guard spotted the men close to a car and initially believed they were firing shots into an unoccupied vehicle. This assumption proved fatally wrong, discovering a victim in the driver's seat who later succumbed to multiple gunshot wounds. Arguing his belief that the car was empty at the time of the incident, the defendant sought to assert a mistake of fact defense under Section 8.02 of the Texas Penal Code. However, the trial court excluded this line of defense, leading to the man's conviction and the subsequent appeal. The man's fight for a fair trial reached the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, where the Superior Court disagreed with the trial court's decision. They argued that the defendant was entitled to a jury instruction on mistake of fact, asserting that the jury should be the one to gauge the credibility and reasonableness of the defendant's belief that the car was unoccupied. In a noteworthy move, the court remanded the case back to the Court of Appeals, highlighting that a reversal would be required should the defendant have sustained harm due to this instructional error. It was pointed out that the lower court erred by not educating the jury correctly, thus wrongly denying the defendant's request for an instruction on mistake of fact. With the story's striking turn of events underlining the power of correct legal instructions and the importance of jury discretion in assessing credibility, the case was sent back for further proceedings. The outcome of this case served to illuminate the nuances in the law and the vital role it plays in upholding justice within the courtroom.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.